Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. M for mathematician. So as you know, we have started exercise 3b and we have discussed question number 8 and 9 of intermediate level, and now we are going to discuss question number 10. So if you see this question, you have given $185,000 and that the Mr. Go earned in a year. And now he's saying, or the person who have given this question is saying that if this $185,000 will of this, now they are saying that if we have given the relief and they have mentioned the relief amounts, and then they have just mentioned the tax on the first 120,000 and the next or rest amount as a 15%. So they are asking us or inquiring us to find his income tax payable. और इन ईजी वर्ड्स आई कैन से कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो मिस्टर गो हैं उन्होंने पूरे साल में जो अर्न किया है वो अमाउंट गिवन है, देन रिलीव्स गिवन है, एंड उन्होंने बताया हुआ है पेरेंट रिलीफ पर पेरेंट जो है वो कितना है $5,000 एंड पर चाइल्ड जो रिलीफ है वो है $4,000. सो अब हमें जो अपनी इनकम पे जो टैक्स पे करते हैं वो अगर हमारे पास फर्स्ट $120,000 के लिए बेसिकली 7,950 है, तो 15% रिमेनिंग के लिए जो रिमेनिंग अमाउंट है उसके लिए 15% होगा. तो हमने इनकम टैक्स जो वो पे कर रहा है वो फाइंड करना है. अब मैंने आपको बताया था कि चार्जेबल इनकम और पेएबल इनकम इज इक्वल टू टोटल इनकम माइनस रिलीव्स. सो हम पहले ये जो सारे रिलीव्स हैं, और वन मोर थिंग, ये बिल्कुल वर्क एग्जाम्पल 9 और प्रैक्टिस नाउ 9 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जैसा है. अब देखें हमें रिलीव्स गिवन है ये सारे. अब हमें इन्हें ऐड करेंगे, देन हम इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे जो हमारे पास टोटल इनकम है उससे अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर फार्मूला. देन हम उसको फर्स्ट जो टैक्स पेएबल फॉर फर्स्ट है, देन टैक्स पेएबल फॉर रेस्ट, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम दोनों टैक्सेस फाइंड करके उन्हें सम कर देंगे. सो लेट्स गो टुवर्ड्स द डिस्कशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. So we have formula chargeable income is equal to total income minus reliefs. So reliefs would be personal relief plus child relief plus 2, because they are saying that per parent the relief is basically 5,000. Now per child the relief is 4,000. Now they have mentioned that Mr. Go have only one child and Mr. Go have both mother and father. So we have just multiplied, because per parent the amount is 5,000 and we have just multiplied by 2, because we have parent, both parents, mother and father. So those are 2%, and per person the parent relief is 5,000. So we just multiplied by 2, or we just add 5,000 by for 2 times, so it would be 10,000. Now if we multiply by 2 again, we get 10,000, as it is obvious. So personal relief is given in the question as $3,000. Child relief is $4,000 per child. Parent relief is 5,000 per parent. So two mother and father both. So we have multiplied by 2, and then SPF. So it is Provident Fund, which is $18,600. We have just add those values and we have got relief as 35,600. Now we can easily apply the formula chargeable income is equal to total income minus relief. So total income is $185,000 and relief are $35,600. So after subtraction I've got $149,400 as chargeable income. So they have mentioned us that on first $120,000 tax payable is $7,950, and now we have known that in 149,400 we have to subtract this 120,000. So I've subtracted this, and remaining amount is 29,400. Sorry, on the next 29,400 I have to replace this by 29,000. Okay, on the first 29 on the next $29,400, the tax payable is 15%. So we have just multiplied this 15% by 29,400. So 15%, after removing this percentage, I've got 100 in division. So I've just cancelled this 100 with this, and I've got $294 multiplied by 15, and the answer is $4,410 for next 29,400. Now I've just simply add the values of the tax payable on the first $120,000, which is $7,950, and on the next two $29,400, which is $4,410. So after adding, I've got total tax payable, which is basically 17,700. So total tax payable is 17,700. Now we are going to discuss question number 11. So they are saying that property tax is taken. Tax is a tax on land, houses, flats or building which is computed as follows. So property tax जो है ये इसका formula है property tax payable yearly is equal to annual value multiplied by tax rate. And in this question they have given us annual value and both tax rate. They have given us this and ask us to find property tax payable yearly. So we can easily find this property tax payable yearly but by just putting the values in this formula. This is quite easy. Let's discuss it. Here is the thing, student. I have just put the values in the formula. So annual value is given as 28,800 and tax rate is 10%. So I have removed the percentage and I have got 10 divided by 100. So 28,800 multiplied by 0.1. So I have got a property tax payable yearly as 20. It would be $2,880. Now they are asked us to find the property tax payable for 6 months. They have required to find for 6 months. So obviously in year we have 12 months. So this is for 12 months. Now we want to find only for 6 months. So we have just divided from here. This 12 becomes 6 into 6 and this 6 come here, it is multiplied, here it come in division form. So if we divide it, we have got $1,440. It is basically property tax payable for 6 months. So this is all about question number 10 and 11. Okay, if you have any of the query, any of the question, feel free to ask, and best of luck. Okay, Allah Hafiz.